To troubleshoot a Whoop charging cable, start by checking the port connection, ensuring it is securely plugged into both the Whoop device and the power source. Verify that the power source is working properly by testing it with another device. Next, inspect the charging cable for any visible damage, such as frays or cuts, and replace it if necessary. Try using a different charging cable to isolate the issue. If the problem persists, check the Whoop device itself for any debris or blockages in the charging port. Clean the port gently with a soft brush or a cotton swab to remove any dirt or dust. Restart the Whoop device to reset its charging system. Sometimes, a simple reboot can resolve connectivity issues. If none of these steps resolve the issue, try charging the Whoop device through a computer or a wall adapter to rule out any issues with the charging cable or power source. Finally, if the Whoop device still fails to charge, it may be a hardware issue, and it is recommended to contact the manufacturer for further assistance or repair. By following these steps, you should be able to identify and potentially resolve any issues with your Whoop charging cable, ensuring your device remains charged and functional. Remember to always handle your devices and cables with care to prevent damage and extend their lifespan.